Binance is launching a new token on their launch pool, and you'll be able to farm this token for free for a period of days set by Binance. And the name of this token is Ethena or ENA. Right here on your Binance dashboard, right here, come to this more, and once you press more, you will navigate to this launch pool. Right here, if you can't find launch pool, press this launch pad right here, and you'll be able to find this on your launch pad also, because if you press this launch pool right here down here, you'll be able to see this. If you go to this home, you'll be able to find this token right here. The farming period is going to last for 3 days, and until farming starts is 11 hours 57 minutes 50 seconds. And yeah, if you be staking your FDUSD in this pool, this stable coin, you'll be sharing a 20% of total allocated reward in this pool. And if you be staking BNB in this pool, you'll be sharing 80% of total allocated reward in this pool. And right here, if you want to stake BNB, you can just press BNB and press stake and press max if you have token in your account, and press stake, and you see successfully staked BNB. And you'll be able to find your stakes right here. If you want to stake more, if you don't have money in your account again, or any asset BNB in your account again, you can just purchase more BNB on the marketplace. If you want to stake FDUSD, you can just come over here and purchase more of this token if you don't have. And if any point in time you don't want to participate in this event again, you can come over here, press redeem, and press max, press redeem. Right now you have redeemed all your token. You don't want to participate in this event again. I will go back again and press max, take this token. And right here, once this event starts after 11 hours 56 minutes, you'll be able to, anytime you have some reward to claim, you'll be able to claim your reward using this option right here. And when this token started trading on Binance, you'll be able to use this trade option right here, trade right here. And that's just the basic information you need to know in this event. And the total staked in this event is already 1 million plus of BNB, and the total stake in this stable coin is 306 million of FDUSD have been staked in this event. And that's just the full information you need to know about this project. So make sure you subscribe and turn up your notification bell. You can just come over here to see the more information about this project, and the way the hourly reward and everything you need to know about this. Just come over here, you'll be able to find this more information about this project. And don't forget to subscribe to get this quick information about crypto, so you can take advantage of this opportunity. And like this video so this video can get to more people, and I'm going to see you on the next video.